Alright, let's do a Planet X update. It's been a few months and there's some more very interesting news. Let's go look at some specs first and then we'll look at some maps. Well, not maps, diagrams. Okay, some new numbers have come out by this team here. There are many teams working on Planet X, the theory of the 9th planet, though they're not calling it Planet X, but to me that's the name of it because that's what the people decide to call it. Why not just keep it Planet X? So anyway, the new information comes out that Planet X takes about 10,000 to 20,000 years for 1 year. So in other words, to complete its orbit around the sun, which is 1 year. Okay, it also looks like Planet X is 10 times the mass of the Earth and is 75 times more distance than Pluto. I see I have that and that the same, so I guess we'll just get rid of that one and go with this one. Don't know how that happened. Okay, there's a lot of ways they can figure out how this all happens mathematically by just the way the planets react in our own solar system. Let's go over to the board and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, here's two diagrams. This is looking straight down on the universe. The planets would all be right next to the sun there. And this is the plane, what they call the galactic plane of the universe. So all the normal planets that we come to think of are all in a straight plane across our galaxy. However, a couple, this planet here, this 2014 FE72, is seen here and it's on a slant. And they think that's because Planet X, which is this one here, is also on a slant this way. And every so often, hundreds of thousands of years to 1,000,000 years, they come close at this intersection and cause things to change. Now also, they're thinking that Planet X and FE72 are influenced by other stars. That's how far away they are to our sun. What they're trying to do is get an actual picture from this team. They're using two telescopes to try and actually picture Planet X. So as information comes in on Planet X, I'll keep us updated. But for right now, that's the information we have. We actually have some real good numbers coming out on where it should be, what it is. They think it's semi-rocky and maybe has a thick atmosphere. Much thicker than anything. It's more like a Jupiter or a Saturn kind of thing. It's a lot of gas on top of a very rocky planet underneath. That's what they're guessing just from the math that they figure out from our numbers. So on my last video, a lot of people left comments and I tried to comment back to a lot of people and I wasn't too successful because Google doesn't always work the way they plan it to be. If it has anything to do with that little thing up on the upper right hand corner, it's going to screw you up. When I tend to try to give a message back, it deletes it or ends up in a different place, or it's just all cockeyed. So they need to do a lot of work here on YouTube. So I surely appreciate all the comments, and we got 4 or 5 new subscribers on the last video. I really appreciate you guys subscribing, and we'll make this one a little bit short. And until next time.